All right, guys, we're back for a site visit and I'm on one of our house and granny flat projects. Behind me is the firewall divider. If you want to see how that works, don't go anywhere. All right, guys, welcome back for another site visit. And behind me here is our Hebel firewall dividing wall system that we use on house and granny flats and the duplex projects that we do. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip the camera. I want to show you these holding clips. I want to show you some joints and a little bit up the top, and then I'll flip it back so I can explain them to you in a bit more detail. All right, guys, so here we have the joining clips, tech screwed in. Here is one of the joints, which is cemented together. Up there you can see another joint and it goes all the way up into the roof space as well. A few packers there to keep it all separated. As you can see, there's a lot of bracing to the frame for the fire rated wall. There's another joint just there. So you can see all the way along the bottom, there's heaps of fixing points, through the middle, fixing points, and along the top. Up there, there's separate sheets as well. So there'll be more up there too. All right, so this is a Hebel fire system that we use. Now, what I wanted to show you was the clips. Now, I just showed you all those. Now, I want to explain it to you why there's so many and that they are done on both sides. So if we go next door, there'll be another frame with the same amount of clips. Now, this is what the story is, so why they do it for. So let's say, for example, that the granny flat or the other side of this wall completely burns down, right? This wall will still be standing because it is fixed to this side. So that's why they fixed it to both sides. So they're completely independent buildings, and if something happens to the other side, the other building can independently still function and still work without having the other building interfere on it. Now, they got certain fire rating time frames. I'm not sure the exact time frame. It could be a couple hours or something like that, but they do have time frame rating. Just don't remember off the top of my head. So that's why they put so many clips, and that's why they're like this for. There are other systems around. We found this system to be the best in everything. You know, you got to take everything into account. The way you construct the home and the cost as well too. And obviously you want to make sure you have the fire rating, but everything reaches a fire rating. So definitely how easy it is to construct, get the materials to site, and the cost back to the homeowner. So guys, if you know anyone who's interested in doing a house and granny flat or a duplex and they want to understand the fire rating dividing wall a little bit more and how it actually works, tag them in the comments below. And if you have any questions, let me know and I'll do my best to answer them. Otherwise, thank you guys for joining me on today's site visit. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.